Okay guys, we just spotted 4 does and a buck. We're gonna try to do a stalk on them. They're out in the prairie here, just headed into a bush, about 200 yards off the road allowance. Wind is blowing in our favor. We'll try a stalk and see what we can do.
Good job! Woo!
What's it doing? It's running.
300 yards.
It's running.
No, it's not.
Is it down?
It's down. Woo! Good job!
300 yards.
Just over.
Face that out. Okay, oh, I can see it. Right where I dropped it. I don't think it moved. Take a look. Wow. Pretty cool out, I tell ya. Minus 16, I think. Wow. Nice doe. Well, guys, I finally got my mule doe. Last week, Braden got his mule doe. This year, we got mule deer draws for doe. Last year, we had our bucks. So we finally got our doe, and this afternoon we spotted 4 does and a buck, and walked out onto the prairie here for a couple hundred yards, did a little stalking, and I put this one down at about approximately 400 yards, just under 400. Temperature minus 16, wind blowing hard from the northwest. Anyways, we've got her done, and now we'll take care of getting the deer loaded and heading back to Calgary.
Okay guys, I'm going to give you a little bit of a rundown here of what we're doing. We spotted a herd of probably 24 mule deer down in a coulee. And when we spotted them, they were just moving from one side of the coulee to the other. And so what's happening is we found where they bedded, and we're all sneaking up on them. We know where they're bedded, and we got 4 guys with tags, and there's 24 mule deer, so if we're lucky, we'll get all of our mule deer out of one group. But we're about to let this thing play out here and see what happens.
Stay there where you guys are. There he is. Shoot. I got it. Well, somebody got it.
Who was it, you or me?
Both. I watched you both take 3 times.
I heard the thump after I hit it.
I wasn't letting her go.
I seen it. I don't know who to say congratulations to.
Teamwork.
Both of you.
That was both of us.
We shot just about at the same time. One after another, so.
Turn and walk away.